Meaning of despondent.
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 Despondent. The term despondent refers to a state of extreme sadness and loss of hope or courage. It can be used to describe a person who feels utterly helpless, discouraged, and without any enthusiasm for life. When someone is despondent, they may exhibit a number of physical and emotional symptoms, such as lethargy, low mood, lack of appetite, and withdrawal from social activities. Despondency can be caused by a variety of factors, including personal losses, relationship problems, chronic illness, or financial difficulties. In general, it is a serious condition that requires professional help and support.